Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a price list in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened a new document in Microsoft Word, and to create a price list, I'm going to use template from Microsoft Word. So I'm going to go to the File menu, and we can select more templates. Make sure you have internet connection because we need internet connection to access the template. Okay, and here we can search for price list template. Okay, and then you can choose the template that you like. For me, I'm just going to select this one. Okay, then alright, now the template has been added to my document, and we can edit this template. I'm going to edit the title like this, and you can replace this logo with your own logo. Okay, and then you can edit the color and edit the item name or description, and also the price right here. Okay, you can add new item as well. I'm just going to add random item here like this, or you can modify the table. You can change the color to the color that you like. Okay, and you can edit the template according to your need. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a price list in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.